Hi guys, welcome to Saute at Sight.
Like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and recipes.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So the thing is, my wife is celebrating the entire week as my birthday week, and she has certain things planned for it, and so do I. The thing is, since we have a balcony and the winter has already started, so I thought why not make use of it, or make use of the balcony. So I'm gonna set it up in a way, and I'm gonna take you through the process, as and when I'm gonna do it. So let's get started.
So guys, as Aston has said that we'll be doing something special today because we have 2 days holidays over here in UAE and it's a public holiday, and I thought of why not baking some cake. I'd been really busy during the weekday and I couldn't really do something and I really wanted to make it up to him, so I thought I'll bake him a very good cake and something which he really likes. But I'm not that good at baking cakes, so I thought how would it turn out, and there are too many things in my mind, but I'm just going to go headstrong and I'll try baking a cake and I'll take you through the process, and Aston will also take you through the process of what we are going to plan tonight. So guys, I had been planning to do this since a long time, and actually I had already ordered some things from Amazon and Noon, baking related stuff, and I will just show you all what I actually purchased. So well, these are some things which I got from Amazon and Noon, and this is the cake turntable. I bought the basic one, so I just didn't want, I wanted to just experiment with baking, so I thought why not try with a simple one, and then later if I do good then I can actually bring a good one. Then I purchased this cocoa powder from Amazon. Well, basically this was really cheap, and I've already tried this before. I've tried it for my brownies and it was really good. So if you all want to know more about it, just leave a comment. Then I got some fondant cutters. Well, this was like a whole package, and with this I got the fondant cutters and fondant roller, and the roller is here. I'd already remote to check it out how it is. It's pretty good enough for a beginner, and these are like some for flower making. Basically you can make flowers with these, so I need to try that as well. And these are some alphabet cutters. I just thought it would give a really for a beginner it would really be helpful to actually make some shapes for basically putting up a name, or just writing happy birthday. I wanted to be really neat in that, so I thought I'll try out with these. And of course I got some marshmallows because whenever I go to the supermarket I don't see any I always seen colored marshmallows, and I wanted plain ones, so I got this from online Amazon. Then I got a cake leveler cum cutter. Basically when you want to slice the cake from between to make those layers, I think this is really helpful, so I got this basic one. And this is really important, piping bags. This I got actually with the kit only. This is actually basically to smoothen your fondant, like when you're done applying the fondant on the cake. This is how it looks like, and this is the scraper, and to give it a smooth finish for the cake. And this is compound chocolate, dark compound chocolate, again from the same company. I got it from Amazon. It was pretty cheap, and I can't wait to try this out. So guys, as you can see, I showed you all whatever I got from Amazon and Noon. These are the basic baking essentials for a beginner, and I really wanted to make some good cakes. So let's get started. So now guys, I'm done with the cake batter, and I'll be pouring it into the grease pan. So guys, now my cake is done and into the pan, and now I proceed to bake this. And there it goes.
I'm laying down 2 layers of mattresses down just to make it a little comfy.
And we've already put some lights over there. We're planning to put some lights, so that's how it will be. And last not least, but a good nice clean bed sheet. Well, it's day 2 guys, and I had already prepared the cake yesterday, and I will show you in a bit like how I have done it. I prepared 2 batches of cakes because I want to prepare a layered cake. Also now I have melted some chocolate and I look pretty tired, but I want to just complete this. So I'm really excited to do this. Aston is also helping me out a bit in this because he's actually, I cannot do anything without him, and it's pissing him off a bit. So this is the cake guys. I had baked yesterday, and now Aston will help me cutting this cake into layers. And that's how the cake is cut. Guys, we are done with our layers. It's a bit messy, but it looks pretty good. I mean, I never had any time got such perfect layers, and I'm so happy that the cake turned out good and we've cut it into layers. So this is dark chocolate I have melted in the microwave, and I'll be using it for my ganache, but I'll also be preparing my ganache out of whipped cream, and I'll be adding this to the whipped cream to make my ganache. So I'll let this refrigerate, and then I'll move to the next step. Now I'll proceed to make the layers. And now I'll be proceeding to make my fondant, and this is my very first time. I'm really nervous, but I hope it turns out really good. So I put the marshmallows in the microwave for 1 minute, and I'm trying to nice soft paste. I already have my sugar, icing sugar, and now I'll be adding my marshmallow mixture to this. And this is where all the labor begins. So I'm rolling my fondant. This is how it looks like.
Alright guys, so this is how I have set it up with some fairy lights, some cushions, the DIY project that Aline had made in the previous vlogs. You can do check it out, and the food finally.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Boo. Happy birthday to you. It's a bit of messy cake. Oh my god. Gordon would be so happy looking at my perfectly layered cake. Yay! So guys, this is how we are celebrating Aston's birthday, and
Sorry for the low light, but that's how we plan to have a date night, you can say. And
basically during the pandemic time, we wanted to avoid going out, though we had many plans. But I think this is a really good idea, and it's nice and cozy, and we're gonna enjoy and have a very nice time. And this is something what even you all can do and have a good time. So
it's not necessary that you need to have a lavish party or something like that. I mean, you can always spend some cozy time with your beloved. You don't really have to go out all the time.
So I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and